Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to attach artificial flowers to this beautiful hair accessory. First of all, I would choose some flowers to attach, which you could go for whites, a little bit of pinks, peaches, and adding something blue if it's for a bride, for something blue. And then I would cut some greenery here so I could attach it on. So I'll just take some of these out just now. For this video I will just be using tape. I have got wire cutters here to cut the ends of the flowers because we don't want this to be very long, because then that's more that you have to cover. Oh, it does make it more difficult to attach it on. So I'll probably just attach some here. Really just adding some finishing touches to the hair accessory. And the way I do that is just the same technique that I've done before, is I would hold tight and then wrap it round. You want this to be as tight as you can so it doesn't make a bulge, and so it's easier to cover. And I would just attach a small piece of greenery and cut off some of the stem. I haven't wired the greenery because it's not necessary all the time to add wire, because this is a very, very light headpiece. So for the first part, I would say that is all you need, and then I would start working in different sections. And there you can see the finished beautiful hair accessory. Thank you for watching my video. If you'd like to see more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.